us or anything like that. We do not punish him for that. We're just going to ignore that behavior and start everything again. Tells him to come up again. He comes up, and he's going to tell him to hold. He stays still, and then he rewards that behavior with a piece of chicken. It's a little bit excited, as I can see. Alright, again he tells him exactly where to go, tells him to come up, tells him to hold, and now he's going to touch around his face. Any other alligator will react by biting, but of course we taught him that if he stays very, very still, he does not get hurt, and he also gets food at the end. The reason for this is so that if he has something stuck in his ears, eyes, or nose, or anywhere near his face, a vet can literally come inside and check exactly where he needs to. Sometimes you can even touch his teeth like Andrew's doing right here. So if a vet needed to check him out, he'll just walk right in and touch wherever he needs to without getting hurt, of course. Any other park and any other alligator, they'll have to get on top, put tape around his mouth, get on top of him, and force him to do things. Of course, Crusher doesn't need to do any of that.
Give me some.
Again, he tells him to come exactly where his finger is.
Drink.
Tells him to come up. Tells him to hold. He's going to turn around, give me something a little bit crazier. Yeah? That was a handful of people. Andrew, why don't you put your head inside Crusher's mouth? Yeah? Oh. That was dangerous. Alright. And just kidding, guys. We're not going to do that. Last time we did that, Christian got hurt. R.I.P. Christian. We don't have insurance for that, but instead we're going to put a hat on Crusher here. So you guys could get a couple cool pictures with him wearing a hat. Of course, he understands he's not getting hurt. He also gets a reward right after. And water. Once he tells him to hold, the vet could come behind his tail. Grab the tail. I'm going to put my finger under the scale itself and act like I'm taking blood out. Put the tail down. And of course he rewards him. And the vet didn't have to get on top of him or anything like that. There was no invasion whatsoever towards this animal. Of course, now what we're going to do is act like after the hold command. I'm going to act like a dying animal in water and see what happens. Help! Crusher! I'm drowning! Ah! Of course, he stays very, very still. He understands it's just me doing some training. And the reward comes in. Now he has a little bit more energy. There you go. Give it up for Crusher there. Alright, let's see what else we get to do with this guy. There you go. Now these guys have over 2,000 PSI of pressure. That's the same amount of pressure we used to crush a car. So these guys are very, very strong. He's just being gentle at this point. There you go. Alright, we're in our last piece. Now that he's really excited, we should do something fun, right? Let's get Andrew to kiss Crusher on his mouth. Yeah? No? Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it.
Oh my God.
Alright, he's going to tell him up, tells him hold. Let's see how this ends up. Everyone, take your phones out. This might be good. Oh, yeah, it's going to be good. Let's see. There you go. Give it up for Crusher and Andrew one more time.